Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to another Crypto Sensei live stream. We got a great show for today, guys. We got a damn good show. You know how it is. We're chilling like a villain, trying to make these gains. Are we gonna go up? Are we gonna go down? Are we gonna go sideways on these crypto markets? I don't know. Let's find out together, guys. So how y'all doing? Big shout out for all the early birds to here today. Who are you? Let's see. We got who we got in the house. Cyber Doggy. Big shout out to you, Cyber Doggy. First one over on the comments, over on the TikTok. First place. That's right, my brother. How you doing, bro? It's all good. All good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, trying to take it easy, trying to take a chill mode. Because I don't know if you've noticed, but something weird is happening with the markets today. I don't know. Success isn't guaranteed, but it leaves clues. And if you know how to identify those clues, there's no limit to where you can go, guys. Let me tell you right now, something is brewing. It's brewing in the markets. You can sort of feel it in the air. It's cold as shit, that's for sure. That's one thing. It's cold as shit. Techno Wolf, my brother from another mother. How you doing, brother? It's all good, all good. You know how it is, just chilling like everything. Chris! Big shout out to you, Chris, over on the TikTok channel. So how y'all doing? Tato! Big shout out to Tato over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, brother? I am going sideways, says Tatos, and I am always upside down. Brother, you gotta shake it off, bro. Shake it off, man. It's a whole new day. It's a whole new opportunity to make it big, guys. Yo, Tato, when are you coming back to PR, man? When are you coming back? You gotta come and visit, bro. You gotta come and visit. Crypto Sister, big shout out to you, Crypto Sister, over on the YouTube channel. How you doing, Crypto Sister? Big shout out to you. Blockchain Gold, big shout out to Blockchain Gold. How you doing, Blockchain Gold, over on the TikTok channel, saying AIOZ is running, bro. We saw it yesterday. I think you were the one who brought the AIOZ, right, on the yesterday. We'll talk about that today. AIOZ, but I told you that shit was gonna run, bro. It was gonna run either way, yes or no. It was gonna happen. Fuck yeah. Cyberdog is saying, my kids love your energy, bro. How old are your kids, bro? Big shout out to your kids, man. Jen's Crazy 420 over on the TikTok channel saying, hey, from Norway. My brothers and sisters over in Norway, how you all doing? Oh my God, I'm worldwide, bro. I'm on Norway. It's got to be cold as shit over there in Norway, that's for sure. I don't even want to front. It's got to be cold as shit. Hollywood, big shout out to Hollywood over on the TikTok channel saying, how's it going, bro? It's all good, brother. It is what it is. Just chilling like a villain, man. Taking it easy, going chill mode, trying to catch these gains. It don't get any better than this, guys. Spike, my brother Spike. How you doing, bro? How you doing, Spike? It's all good, You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, guys. Trying to take it easy. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, well, by April 2024, I think I am finally making money instead of losing it. So I am hoping to visit by next Christmas, next year. So you're not going to move to Puerto Rico? I thought you said you were going to move to Puerto Rico to start a store over here. What are you going to do? You let me know, brother. You let me know. So we're going to give it a few more minutes, guys, just to see who all gets here. In the meantime, please go right ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on yet. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Twitch. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Kick. I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not to get my price actions and whatever TA I want to talk about today. Also, guys, if you have any coins that you want to look at, anything in specific, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to do my technical analysis on whatever projects you guys want to talk about. Okay, guys? You got me for an hour of power, so take advantage of it. Ask away whatever questions you guys have. I'm here for you guys. A whole hour for you. Also, if you can share the link, share the information, share the wealth with everybody you know on your social media, go right ahead. We're trying to grow this channel as much as we can. We're trying to get to that 10,000 subscriber mark in all of my streaming platforms. And I cannot do that without you guys' help. So if you can go ahead and share the link, share the information with everybody, I would highly appreciate it a bajillion times over. And the more you smash the like button, the higher the price of XRP goes. It's just a given fact. It's just, I'm not making that shit up. It's just how it is. It's just how it is. So big shout out for everybody here. Bruder Crypto, how you doing, Bruder Crypto? Big shout out to you over on the Twitch channel. Saying, hey, buddy, I send you love, buddy. I send you back love, bro, too. You know how it is, Big shout out to you, Bruder Crypto. You're always welcome here. You're part of the community. You're part of the family. You know how it is. Big hugs for you, brother. The South over on the TikTok. That's a kick-ass name, brother. You want to talk about some algo action? Yeah, we can talk about some algo. I'm going to take out my handy-dandy notebook with my handy-dandy pen and write down algo. We can do some algo action. Algo. Go ahead, guys. Keep it coming. Lazy, big shout out to you, Lazy, over on the TikTok, saying thoughts on Aurora. You want to talk about Aurora? Never heard about that coin. What does that coin even do? Interesting. The South over on the TikTok channel saying, what time frame do you trade in? I trade in on the daily charts. I start with the daily so I know what momentum is going, and then I go to the smaller time frames like around the 2 hour and the 15 minute to sort of figure out an entry price to going in on my trade. It really all depends on what you want to do. If you want to be more of a long-term trader, then you use the daily. If you want to scalp like 15 5-minute charts, then you do the 5-minute chart. If you want to do some scalps. So you use the daily chart to figure out momentum. You trade always in favor of the momentum, and then you go to the smaller time frames to figure out an entry price towards where you want to hit it when you want to go in. Chris over on the TikTok channel saying HNT. What is your opinion on HNT? Yeah, we can talk about some HNT. I don't think I've heard about that coin. Well, we'll look at it today. Don't worry about it, my man. I got you, bro. I got you, man. Don't worry about it. Lindsay Meals, big shout out to Lindsay over on the TikTok channel saying thank you so much for that share. The Sal saying gracias, my friend. You know how it is, brother. You the man, man. You the man, the sauce. Little Joe, big shout out to Little Joe. Thank you so much for those roses, brother. Thank you so much for the appreciation, like always. Thank you so much, guys. We're gonna give it a few more minutes, guys. Let me see, what time is it? 1 more minute. No, we'll give it 2 more minutes just to see how it gets here. You know how it is. We're growing. We're moving fast. It is what it is. We go at it, guys. You know how it is. Also, guys, remember that all of my streams are being recorded into my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to rewatch all of my streams, they're all in my YouTube channel. Link in bio if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe over there. I'm also streaming in YouTube. I'm streaming in every single streaming platform out there all at the same time. So if you want better quality, better sound, better music, better whatever, you can always head on over to my YouTube and my Twitch channel. Those are great at 4K. Okay, guys? So if you want to go ahead and head on over to those streaming platforms, you're more than welcome to subscribe over there. And if you are watching me from the YouTube channel, make sure that you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I stream. I'm streaming every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern in all of the streaming platforms. So make sure that you subscribe to everything, guys. Just in case. You never know. These platforms don't really like me talking about crypto. I get banned all the time in TikTok. So, gotta keep it fresh. Keep it, cycle through. Make sure that I got backups of the backup of the backup. So I got all the streaming platforms, guys. All of them. Oh, wait. I didn't turn on my Tickfinity. No wonder I can't see the text. Christine over on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for that follow, for that subscribe on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Christine. We're going to give it 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute, and we'll start the class. Little Joe wants to talk about some H-bar. Sure, we can talk about some H-bar, guys. Keep it coming. Whatever coins whatever coins you want to talk about, guys, go ahead and write it down on the chat box, and we'll do some TA on that one. Don't worry about that. I got you. Even though today is Wednesday, right? Today's Wednesday? I don't even know what day I live in. I think today's Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday. So today we're going to talk about the bots. Today is Bots Wednesday. So we're going to look at those two, see how those are performing. You know how it is. Chapulín, big shout out to my brother for another mother. Chapulín, how you doing, Chapulín? It's all good, brother. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, man. Taking it easy. Going chill mode. Trying to see what the hell these markets are going to do. Are we going to make money or are we going to lose money? I don't know. The fucker looks like it wants to pump out of nowhere, and I want to buy more. And I can't buy more because I can't fucking buy more XRP from my bank account. My bank account is not letting me buy crypto anymore, so I got to get a whole new bank account now. So that's... The thing is that it's looking like it's bubbling right now. XRP looking like it's going to want to explode. XRP doesn't give a fuck. XRP is not going to wait for me to get money from my bank account into crypto so I can buy it. XRP is going to do whatever the fuck it wants to do. Let's see how that goes. You know how it is. Cyber Doggy over on the TikTok channel saying Jed. You want to talk about Jed? What is Jed? Is that a coin? GED? JYED? Jed? Jen's Crazy 420, big shout out to you over from Norway, brother. My brothers and sisters from Norway. I know you must be cold as shit. How's the weather over there in Norway? How's it? You know what? It's gotta be cold as hell. You gotta be like negative 25. Norway right now is at 29 degrees. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm good. I'm happy with my 76 degrees. Don't worry about that. I'm 76 degrees right now, and I'm super chill, and I don't want no colder than that. I'm good. Don't worry about it. But I hope you, my brothers and sisters over in Norway, you're having a fantastic time. You know how it is. Big shout out to you. Oh, Cyberdog is saying no, that's a typo. Oh, my bad. I thought it was a coin, Jed. That's a kick-ass name for a coin, though, Jed. Yeah, it is Wednesdays. Yeah. So today, on Wednesday, we talk about the bots. So today, we're going to be looking at what the bots are doing. How are they performing today? Look at that. They're having a great time. Look at that. I'm making money all over the place. You know how it is. And we're going to talk about that today, so don't worry about that. We'll look at the markets, and then we'll talk about the bots. You know, give it a little bit of half an hour of the market updates, and then the last half hour, we'll talk about the bots and see how they are performing. Ooh, I have a bot right here out of range. Of course, XRP is the one out of range. The one and only bot that has given me so much trouble has been XRP. It is what I'm actually losing $2 on this bot. That sucks. Yeah, it is what it is. I mean, I'm making 1,072, but hell. I don't want to lose. Ken, a big shout out to Ken. How you doing, Ken? My brother from another mother. Hope you're having a fantastic day, Ken. Where's Crypto Granny? You got to invite Crypto Granny over here. Where is she? Terry JB over on the TikTok channel saying, have you talked about Sidious? No, I have not talked about Sidious just yet, but we can talk about some Sidious. I believe that was the coin that we were talking about yesterday on yesterday's live stream, and that fucker was pumping out of nowhere. And I missed that opportunity on that coin. It is what it is. But I missed it, and I missed it big time. It is what it is. Cyberdog, a big shout out to you. Thank you for that share, guys. Remember, guys, smash that like button. We're trying to get to all-time highs on the like buttons, guys, and I can't do it without you guys' help. So if you can like, follow, and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at, I would highly appreciate it. You got to help the algorithm. The more you share, the more you like, the more our information gets pushed out there with the algorithm. So we're trying to grow this channel as much as we can. We got to get to that 10,000 subscriber mark. Okay, guys? Ooh, thank you so much. We finally made it to 4,000 subscribers, 4,000 followers over on the TikTok. That's amazing, guys. Thank you so much. I could have never done that without you guys' help. Highly appreciate each and every one of you guys. We got 4,000 followers over on the TikTok. That's amazing. No other platform in the world is growing that fast, guys. TikTok is the place to be. Thank you so much, guys. I highly appreciate each and every one of you guys, like always. The South, bro. That's a kick-ass name, bro. The South. Asking over on the TikTok, bro, please share your bot settings. You got more red than green. What do you mean? I got green all over the place. What are you talking about? More red than green. What are you talking about, bro? How do you find you wiggles? What? The sauce. You on the sauce right now, because I don't understand what you're trying to say, bro. You on the sauce. If you're on the sauce, you better fucking share, bro. One more minute, guys. One more minute, and we'll start the class. Also, guys, did you hear about this? I don't know if you guys are like on the news all the time. I'm 24/7 looking at the news and following XRP and all of the platforms that they got. Everything that they say, I get a notification and whatnot. And my PIC, Crypto Granny, gave me this to my attention. And apparently, if you have a Ledger device, where's my Ledger device? I don't know where the hell I put my Ledger device, but if you have a Ledger device, apparently today, you couldn't take out your XRP from the Ledger device. That's scary as shit, let me tell you right now. I didn't even know that the Ledger could do that. That means that your coins are centralized within the Ledger. Ledger can technically control whether you deposit or withdraw from your Ledger. That's scary to me, you know, when it comes to the device itself. I've never heard EliPal do that. So keep that in mind when you're storing your crypto in a cold storage device. Ledger is kind of shady and calling me crazy, you know? So apparently we had a little bit of an issue today. It got quickly resolved about an hour later that you couldn't, they had an issue with the backend service of XRP. You couldn't withdraw or deposit XRP into your cold storage device in Ledger. Ah, man, I mean, I'm telling you right now because I hold all of my XRP in Ledger devices. So that kind of stung a little bit, but there's nothing you can do. I mean, it's just a part of the technology, it's part of the nature of the beast. You know, you just got to accept it and move on and let time do itself. Time is always your best ally. Don't freak the fuck out. Don't FUD. Don't follow anything. Just chill the fuck out and let it resolve itself. And it did about an hour later, you know. Now we are finally able to withdraw our XRP from our Ledger devices, and we can keep using our Ledger device if you guys want to keep doing that. Completely up to you. It is what it is, guys. Let me tell you right now. If this is not bullish news, I don't know what is, because it happens the same goddamn. It happens the same goddamn way every single goddamn time. Every time we're gonna get a major move in the markets, whether to the upside or the downside, all these exchanges get together and they start manipulating the price by not allowing you to withdraw or sell your crypto. I really thought that wouldn't happen with the Ledger device. This is the first time that has ever happened to me. And I've been here for a long, long time. It's the first time the Ledger has ever done that to me and to my XRP. That means that they are controlling the supply. They can literally control whether you buy or sell your XRP. That can happen in Coinbase. That can happen in Binance. Binance also suspended XRP withdrawals today. Isn't that shit crazy, bro? I mean, they must know something that we don't. That they're trying to manipulate the price of XRP where we can't sell it. I don't know, guys. You do with that information as you want to do. Completely up to you. I'm just buying more XRP. The only thing is that now I'm rethinking about storing it on my Ledger device. Maybe I'm going to go full on LEPAL device. I always have a backup. I don't always have like just one device and that's it. I put everything in one device. No, I got multiple devices and then I share a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. Because you just never know. You can lose one, you know? Or one can get suspended like the Ledger. So then you have your LEPAL and you got funds there just in case, you know? Always consider having a backup in everything that you do in crypto because you just never know. These fuckers are the shadiest motherfuckers everywhere, you know? It's just shady fuckers everywhere. Terry JB over on the TikTok channel saying, what cold wallet do you recommend? Brother, I used to recommend the Ledger. Now we are 100% on the LEPAL device. This is the new LEPAL device. I did an unboxing a few videos ago. You can always check it out over on my YouTube channel. This is one of the best devices out there, guys. So if you're in the market for a cold storage device, maybe for a Christmas present or whatnot, go to lepal.com, or you can, if you want, use my affiliate link over in my bio. Link in bio, you can find the LEPAL device. Okay? It's a great device. It hasn't given me any headaches whatsoever. The Ledger has been giving me headaches, but not the LEPAL device. So I am moving this to my #1 spot, overtaken by following the Ledger device. So as of right now, Crypto Sensei stamp of approval is the LEPAL 2.0 Titan device. Chris over on the TikTok channel saying that's why you want to use Trezor. You can also use Trezor. The only problem with Trezor is that me and a friend of mine who is a professional hacker was able to hack the Trezor. But that was the Trezor 2.0. The Trezor 3.0, it's beyond impossible right now. So the new Trezor, yes, absolutely 100% stamp of approval. 24, big shout out to you over on the TikTok channel saying, what's happening, amigo? Let's get it just DCA, y'all. Absolutely. There's no better way, my man. Let me tell you right now, that's the best strategy there is. You're a fucking genius, 24. You're a fucking goddamn genius, man. Control Your Own over on the TikTok channel saying, would only make sense if XRP was pumping? I know, right? Absolutely. Blockchain Gold saying, you ever use Tangem? I have never used Tangem because the last time I was trying to order a Tangem wallet, they wouldn't deliver to Puerto Rico. Now, I finally figured out that you can have mail forwarding and you can send your mail through one service and that service will send it here to Puerto Rico. It's a hassle, but it's just extra money that I didn't want to pay. So no, I have not tried the Tangem wallet as of just yet. Mushu, big shout out to you, Mushu forever over on the TikTok saying, "What's up with XRP, my brother? I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. Are you stacking up on XRP? I've never heard of it. What are you talking about? XRP? I've never heard of it." All right, guys, let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money? Or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Stick around and smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Twitch. I'm on Kick. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not to get my price actions and my TA. Also, guys, if you have any coins that you want to look at, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to do my TA on whatever projects you want to look at. You got me here for an hour of power, so take advantage of it, guys. Ask away. Also, if you can share the link, share the information, share the wealth with everybody you know on your social media, I would highly appreciate it, trying to get to that 10,000 follower mark over on the TikTok channel and every other one of my streaming platforms too. And I cannot do it without you guys' help. So if you can do that for me, I would highly appreciate each and every one of you, like I always do. Thank you so much all for stopping by. And we're going to have an hour of power. We're going to figure it out, guys. Okay. So I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, do it on Bitcoin first always, because everything is tied to Bitcoin. If you guys want to do any TA, do it on Bitcoin first. It's going to repeat on everything out there. Bitcoin is always going to give you momentum. If Bitcoin goes up, the entire market is going to go up with it. If Bitcoin goes down, every entire market is going to go down with it. So technically, just start with Bitcoin. Okay, just start with Bitcoin. So let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. And this is Bitcoin on the daily chart. Now, I always start with the daily charts, okay? Always. The daily chart will give you momentum. How do you know the momentum that you're having? Just zoom in. Zoom in to the candles, the last two candles that are on the market right now. These are the last two candles as of right now. This right here. This one and this one. What are those candles? Those are green candles, right? You can identify, unless you're colorblind, I hope you're not, that those are green candles. Green candles just means that the prices have a momentum to the upside, okay? So since your trend is your friend until the end, you're always going to trade with the momentum, never against it. Never, ever, ever try to figure out what the top or the bottom is going to be, because most times, more than often, you will lose a trade if you try to do that, okay? Always go with the momentum. The momentum is to the upside on Bitcoin until it isn't. We don't know when that is going to be, but we are always going to trade to the upside. When it comes to Bitcoin, yes, I am highly, highly, highly long biased, okay? I'm always looking for opportunities to long Bitcoin. Now, what I don't want you to do is to long Bitcoin at the top, which is impossible to deduce, by the way. So a trader's job is not simple, and it's not easy to do what we do, okay? But there's things that we can use to identify and use as a base to base our decisions on. And that is my favorite tool, the Fibonacci levels. Now, to identify the Fibonacci levels is very simple. You identify a low, you identify a high point, okay? And then you're going to pretend that there is going to be a pullback. I don't know when that pullback is going to happen. It might not even happen at all. But let's pretend that we actually do get a pullback on the trends right here. And whenever we do get that pullback, that's going to be the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Get your Fibonacci tool and you drag it from the low, drag it all the way to the top to the high. Okay. And this is your Fibonacci levels to getting in on some Bitcoin action. Mary, big shout out to you. Hey, Sensei. Thank you so much, Mary, for stopping by. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you, Mary. How you doing? Angel in the house. Big shout out to you, Angel. You want to talk about some AIOZ? Yeah, I think, we wrote it down. I got you. Stick around. We're going to talk about some AIOZ. Evil Era, big shout out to you, saying your thoughts on LCX long term. LCX, we talked about that one yesterday, but we'll talk about it today again. Don't worry about it. Stick around. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, store it in a cardboard box. No one will steal or anything, but keep it off the water. What are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? I'm going to go give another try to US because I've been like this for a few months. So maybe things get better. But if by 2025 nothing happens, then I am definitely going to go back and try from zero again. Hey, brother, you do what you got to do, man. You do what you got to do. Don't worry about it. You want to try it again? Keep doing it. Keep pushing. Keep hustling. Do what you got to do, you know? Do what you got to do. We're always here for you, brother. If you ever need anything, I'm always here. Evil Lara saying thanks on Excel. I got you, bro. Evil, I got you, bro. Stick around. We'll talk about some LCX down the line. So Bitcoin, as of right now, what is my entry price for some Bitcoin action? I don't even know if we're actually going to go to $30,000 per Bitcoin. I just don't know. Momentum is so hard to the upside, but nothing goes up forever. There's always going to be pullbacks. My pullback on Bitcoin is 30,606. Remember that yesterday was $100 less? Well, since the prices keeps going higher, I have to reset the Fibonacci levels every single day. Okay, so every single day I go in and I look at the price charts, okay, and then I reset everything and we start all over again. You got to do this. You have to do this. If you want to be a good trader, you want to have your good entry prices, you have to go in every single day and reset your Fibonacci levels. It's just part of the game. It's the nature of the beast, you know? It's the nature of the beast. So, as of right now, my target price for some Bitcoin action is 30,606. That's my limit buy order. My limit buy order, meaning that I am going to take my USD Tether and I'm going to put in an order price, an automatic order price for Bitcoin at 30,606. I don't know when that is going to happen or even if it's going to happen. Okay, so always keep that in the back of your mind. I don't know if this is actually going to happen. But if it is, we are locked and loaded. We are ready to go. I could be sleeping. And the automatic order is going to automatically buy the order for me. Okay, that's the beauty of using limit buy orders, just in case you're not looking at the price charts at the moment and you just don't know when the price is going to dump. It can come out of nowhere. It has happened so many goddamn times before, you know? So as of right now, the RSI is curving back down. So that is one thing that I like to see because that means that prices are going to probably come back down. We're having a very, very difficult time breaking out of that 38K mark. Okay, so that just tells me that 38K is major resistance. Okay, it's going to take a lot of money, a lot of money flow, a lot of volume, a lot of news, a lot of good sentiments, whatever, to break that price to the upside. If it doesn't break, then my support level is the 618 on the Fibonacci levels at 30,606. So if you guys don't have any Bitcoin whatsoever, I don't know what you're doing with your life, but if you have no Bitcoin whatsoever and you want to get in on Bitcoin, don't buy it on the green, buy it on the pullback, and that is 30,606. And we will check again tomorrow to see if it actually is 30,606. So this shit, this gets replaced every goddamn day, depending on what the Bitcoin price is doing. It's just trying its best to break that 38K mark. It's not doing it just yet, but hey, doesn't mean it won't. Doesn't mean it won't. Give me a second, guys. Gotta do something here with my phone. Okay. So 38K is the resistance, 30K is your support. I want to get in on some Bitcoin action at 30,606. Take a screenshot of this if you want to play it out like that. You do whatever the hell you want to do. Not financial advice. You trade it however the hell you want to trade it. But that's how I am going to be trading it in the very near future. Let's see if we can actually get Bitcoin back down to 30K. And I guess I can stack up on more Bitcoin, okay? Knowledge Power, big shout out to you, Knowledge Power. Oh, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for the stickers. Thank you so much, Knowledge. IOTA hit 0.4625. IOTA, yeah, we can talk about some IOTA. I'm telling you right now, guys, the markets are brewing. There is something in the air. I don't know what it is, but it's it's going. It's very good. So that, guys, is my plan for some Bitcoin action. Moving on to some Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is queen. Bitcoin is king. Whatever Bitcoin does, Ethereum does exactly with it. Okay, so the chart's going to look pretty much the exact same way. Now, for Ethereum, nothing has changed whatsoever from previous live streams. Okay, I'm still going to stack up on my Ethereum at 1,749, 1,619, 1,544. Not saying that we're going to go to those levels, but if we are, those are the price ranges that I'm going to start stacking up when it comes to Ethereum, okay? Could happen, could not happen, I don't know, but if it does, I'm already locked and loaded, ready to go, okay? If it pumps from here, then we reset the Fibonacci levels and we figure out another entry price, okay? I'm just not going to follow a pump. I'm not going to follow a green candle, just in case, just in case. The Sows over on the TikTok channel saying, how long did it take you to learn how to trade? Brother, I've been learning how to trade for almost 15 years. I graduated college from a finance degree, and I've been working as a financial analyst my whole life. And I've been learning how to trade, doing stocks and forex from the other side of the fence, you know? And whatever I learned there, I took it over here to crypto when it came out, when I sort of figured out crypto. I've been in the crypto market since 2017. Okay. And I've been trading actively crypto since 2017. I heard about crypto in 2012. I think I bought my first Bitcoin was less than $1, and I didn't know what the fuck was happening. It was a crazy time back then. I don't even know what I was doing with my life. Wish I had the same mentality I have now. I wish I had it back then. It is what it is. So yeah, guys, my plan for some Ethereum action is 1,749, 1,619, and 1,544. Not saying that we're going to go to those levels, but if we are, I'm going to get in. Okay. Moving on to some Litecoin. What is Litecoin doing right now? Well, Litecoin doesn't want to start. That's what it doesn't want to do. Litecoin don't want to do it? No? My internet okay? Let me reload the site. Let's see what's happening here. The Sows over on the TikTok channel saying, how long did it take you to start making profits after that? Though I haven't made a goddamn dollar. I haven't made profits at all. I'm broke, bro. I'm broke as shit. Let me move this over here. So this is what I do 24/7, brother. I mean, my profits are automatic if I actually even ever do any profits. So, I don't know. It took me a long fucking time to figure things out, that's for sure. It took me a long fucking time. I don't know. Why is my trading view not working? Can you guys see me? I think I'm having a little bit of a technical issues over here today. Can you guys see me on the stream? It's giving me some green action over here. So can you guys see me? Are you sure you can see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Dynamite, a big shout out to you, Dynamite, over on the YouTube channel. How you doing, Dynamite? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Chilling like a villain, Dynamite, my man, my brother from another brother. I have 0.002 BTC. What up? Brother, don't tell me how much Bitcoin you got. I don't need to know. You do what you got to do, brother. Don't worry about that. Just stack up on your gains, bro. Stack up on your bags. It doesn't matter what it is. Just stack up, bro. Accumulate. Man, I wish I could take that out of my fucking phone, Mike. I'm having so many fucking things over here. How do I take out the notifications on an Android device? I hate this fucking phone so much. All right, guys. So let's go back. Okay, so you guys can see me? Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't know why I was thinking my trading view wasn't allowing me to do anything. So I'm thinking that I don't know what the fuck was happening. So let's go to some Litecoin action. Let me see if we can actually start the Litecoin. Can we get some Litecoin action here? Come on, guys, please. What is happening? Not even trading view is working. That is ridiculous. I couldn't take out my XRP from my ledger. Now trading view is not working. You can't take out your XRP withdrawals in Binance. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. My spidey senses are tingling right now. Something ain't right. Okay? Something ain't right. Y'all better be ready, man. Y'all better be ready as hell. Evil Era saying, oh, yes, we can see you, legend. No, thank you so much, Evil. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so I'm going to keep going. The Sows over on the TikTok channel saying, last question, and I'll shut up. You don't have to, bro. I got you. How do you use a Fibonacci when day trading? Very simple. Let me show you what I do. So first of all, when you set up your Fibonacci levels, these are the settings that I use on my Fibonacci levels. Okay. This is my Fibonacci setup. Okay. So that's first things first, set up your Fibonacci. These are my Fibonacci setup. Okay. You go to the style and this is what I use. Okay. So make sure that you take a screenshot of this. Okay. If you can't see it because of the quality in TikTok, head on over to my YouTube channel. You can see it a lot better there. Okay. Link in bio. Link in bio. These are my Fibonacci setups, okay? You can put it as save it as a SENSEI Fibonacci setup, okay? Use the same colors, use the same amounts, use the same tick here, tick over there, use the same values, use the same thing, okay? Coordinates, I don't touch it. Visibility, I don't touch it, but the styling, I change it to my style, okay? Once you set up your Fibonacci like this, there are 3 things that you need to identify always, okay? You have to go to the daily chart, and you have to identify one thing, the low. What is the previous lowest point? Not the one that's happening now. The previous before that one. That is called the low. Okay. The second thing you need to identify is the high. Okay. This is the highest point close to what's happening right now in the crypto market. Okay. In the current price. The third thing that you need to identify is that retracement of that high. In other words, when the price comes back down, because nothing goes up forever, there is going to be pullbacks. That's what you want to identify. So you have a low, you have a high, and you have a higher low, which I just call it the retracement of the high. Okay? You have a low, you have a high, and you have a retracement of the high. And that looks like a shark fin formation. Okay? Shark fin formation. That shark fin formation is your Fibonacci setup. Because then you take your Fibonacci tool and you click on the low, you drag to the high. And look at here. It found the support on exactly the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. So with that said, how do you use the Fibonacci? Very simple. Draw your Fibonacci and go in on the 618. It doesn't work every single time. Let me tell you right now, it's not 100% foolproof and it's not going to work every single time. But most of the times it kind of works. Okay, it's kind of hefty. If you guys don't hold any coins and you're struggling figuring out what's a good entry price, it's always going to be the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. What is the 618? It's the highest demand zone on any asset, meaning that all the people in crypto, all the bots in crypto, everybody putting money into crypto is going to be in that price range right over there. So you always follow the money. That's the golden rule. Follow the money. Trade like they do. How do they trade? They buy it at the 618. And that, my man, is how you use the Fibonacci levels. So when it comes to Litecoin, it found the support on the 618. That's rule number 1. Rule number 1 is that you need to find support on the 618, or at least very close to it. Okay? It found the support. What's rule number 2? It needs to close above the 382, which is this white line I have drawn right here. Found the support on the 618. Closing above the 382. If it closes above the 382, that means that there is a high probability that we're going to get a close on the negative 382. So Litecoin technically has a high probability that it is going to reach $84. Okay? $84. But to get to $84, we need to close above $69. So for today, let me see, what time is it? It's 6:43 in my time. So for today at 8 p.m. my time, which would be 7 p.m. your time, we're getting a new candle. Okay? We look at that candle, and if it's above the 382, we stack up on our Litecoin. Okay? Or we're going to be longing on a Litecoin. Okay? Because there's a high probability that it is going to reach $84. If it doesn't close above the 382, it's going to come back down. Now, another thing that it's keeping me from buying any Litecoin right now is that on my indicator, I'm getting a bearish signal. Okay, this little red triangle that I have right there, that's a bearish signal. meaning that prices will tend to come back down. I can never tell you until when, but the tendency is to the downside, okay? So keep that in the back of your mind when you're doing your trades, because I have a bearish signal and the RSI is curving back down, even though I don't have a cross of the purple with the yellow, not yet. I would be kind of iffy when it comes to Litecoin, okay? I would be on the fence. I would be on the fence when it comes to Litecoin, okay? But that is my plan for some Litecoin action, okay, guys? That's how I do the Fibonacci levels. Moving on to my beautiful baby girl XRP. Man, I don't know what is happening with TradingView. It is not working. Look at this. I got good signal. I have an entire gigabyte dedicated to this goddamn website. I don't know what the fuck is happening. Why is it not working? So TradingView is down. Everything is down. Look at this. It's just not working. Wow. That sucks. Come on, TradingView. Do your thing, man. Do your thing. Don't make me look bad. Don't make me look bad. Okay, there we go. Now we're on XRP. Caroline. Big shout out to Caroline over on the TikTok channel. How you doing, Caroline? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Dynamite over in the YouTube channel saying it's a setup. It's a trap. That's what it is. It's a trap. So XRP playing out this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cup and handle, or how my friends now call it, the teacup. Rachel, my friend Rachel, says that this is called a teacup because it looks like a teacup. You look at it, we got the cup here and we got the handle over here. It's called a cup and handle formation. Okay, and it's called a cup and handle formation for one reason, because it's hella bullish. Okay, so whenever we get a cup and handle formation just as beautiful and textbook as this one right here, it don't get any better than this. Other than the fact that now you cannot withdraw your XRP from Binance. We couldn't withdraw from our Ledger device. That means that money control, money price control is coming over to XRP for some reason. Maybe they know something that we don't. I don't know. I don't sit on those tables. Caroline over on the TikTok channel saying, I wish I felt great. You're a relief. Are you good, Caroline? What's going on? I got you. You're good. Don't worry about it. Let it go. What's going on, Caroline? Knowledge Power, big shout out to you now. Oh, thank you so much for the hearts, brother. Thank you so much, Knowledge. Thank you so much for the stickers and the heart. Love you too, man. Love you too. B Alpha over on the TikTok channel saying, my man, how we looking till the end of the year? We're looking super, dude. We're looking super good, bro. I don't know about you, but I'm stacking up. I'm stacking up. And wait till you hear my plan for 2024. When we start that whole January cycle all over again, it's going to be way different than 2023, and definitely way different than 2022. 2022 was horrible. 2023, we had this accumulation zone, but 2024, oh, bro, don't even worry about that, bro. Don't even worry about B Alpha. Appreciate your content, man. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you for stopping by. Jen, a big shout out to you, Jen over on the TikTok. Thank you so much for the rose. That's your first gift. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support, guys, like always. So moving on to some XRP action, like I said, we're having a beautiful cup and handle formation happening right now on XRP. The teacup, like my friend Rachel says, the teacup. And what is a teacup formation? That is hella bullish, bro. Hella bullish, meaning that the price has a tendency to go to the upside. Okay, so we're gonna trade to the upside. We're just figuring out new price points to get in on some XRP action. Okay. So if you guys are not stacking up on your XRP, I don't know what the hell you're doing with your life. I'm just saying. I got nothing for you. I don't know what you're going to do. So yeah, like I said, we're having a cup and handle formation on XRP. Nothing has changed from before. So if we do have a cup and handle formation, what do we do with this information? Very simple. We take this, which is the square of the width of the cup. We place it on top of the other cup, and we have one cup after the other cup. And we draw a line over here, cup. And what does it say? It tells me that the price of XRP on the next pumpy pump could go all the way up to $1.17. $1.17 on the short term. 2024. I don't know if we're actually going to get there, guys. But I'm stacking up. I don't know what the hell you're doing with your life. Okay? Now, to get to $1.17, we're going to need to go through some hurdles, okay, guys? It's not going to be a swift move to the upside. It never is, okay? So to break above to $1.17 per XRP, we need to close above 73 cents. Wait, where's the thing? Here we go. 0.73. Okay, so we have to close above 73 cents. If I wake up one morning and you look at the price of XRP and it's at 73 cents and it's trading above 73 cents, $1.17 is right around the corner. Let me tell you right now, okay, guys? So do not sleep on it. If you're on the fence just yet, you're not 100% sure, it's okay. Been there so many times. You're gonna want to get it after 73 cents, even though it's trading at 60 cents right now. So Crypto Granny, big shout out to Crypto Granny, my one and only, my PIC, la bichota, the greatest of the greatest. How you doing, Crypto Granny? It's all good, all good. Hola, mi gente. How you doing, Crypto Granny? Big shout out to you, Crypto Granny. Guys, you better be following Crypto Granny over on the TikTok. Best content ever. And if you want to see more of the Crypto Sensei, we always do some late night crypto hangouts, like around after midnight, and we're there like till 4 o'clock in the morning every day. So if you're not part of the community, head on over to the Crypto Granny. Follow her on the TikTok channel, okay? We got great content over there. Cyber Doggy saying over on the TikTok channel, that's why your bank won't let you buy XRP. Brother, I'm so frustrated that I cannot get fucking XRP from my bank. I got to go to a whole other bank and go through the same fucking thing of linking it to another app. And it's one hell of a hassle. I hate banks, man. I hate banks. Dynamite over on the YouTube channel saying XRP, baby. Everyone is down if you got in on anything in 2022. Yeah, bro. 2022 was ridiculous, man. I wish 2022 never happened, bro. If I could erase it from my mind, I wish I would. But 2024 is going to be amazing. 2025 is going to be absolutely record-breaking. So don't worry about that. Hey, Rachel. Big shout out to Crypto Rachel over on the TikTok. How you doing, babe? It's all good, all good. Walter Klein. Walter over on the YouTube channel saying hello. Say hi if this isn't pre-recorded. Bro, this is live, bro. You got me here for an hour of power, man. You know how it is. Chapulin, big shout out to Chapulin over on the TikTok channel saying use Fold for your new bank account. But the thing is that I'm trying to get cash into crypto, not crypto into cash. I have no issues when it comes to crypto or crypto to cash. My issue is trying to make cash deposits to my bank account to buy crypto. The bank account that I'm using is not allowing that anymore. And it's frustrating as hell. It's frustrating as hell. Because my plan is I'm going to start driving in Uber, DoorDash, and all that. And I'm going to make some money. And everything I make, I'm going to put it into XRP. Dumbest idea ever. But that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. So I got to fix this whole goddamn issue about not having XRP, not having a fucking bank account. But we'll deal with it later. Don't worry about it. We'll figure it out. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Okay? We'll be fine. So for XRP, guys, keep an eye out. Put an alarm. Do whatever the hell you got to do. But if it closes above 73 cents someday, $1.17 is right around the corner. Now, if you don't have any XRP whatsoever, let's figure out a good entry price for some XRP action. Let's go for the Fibonacci levels, okay? Like we always do. We have a low. Well, this is not the low. We have a low. We have a high. And we have a retracement of the high. So we have a shark fin formation. This shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. And look at here. What is XRP doing right now on the Fibonacci levels? It is finding that support, or it's trying to find that support as much as it can on the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Look at this. It's been tested over and over and over and over again. Finding that support on 60, 60, 60. 60 is the new 50. How long were we stuck on freaking 50 cents for just the longest fucking time ever? 60 is the new 50. So we got a higher low. Okay, we have a higher low now. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, if you're going to stack up on your XRP, a good entry price for some XRP action is 60 cents. Let me write it down here so you guys can look at it a little bit better. 0.6388. That is your first entry price, my first entry price for some XRP action. Now let's pretend that XRP decides to fuck with us all and it doesn't find the support on the 618, the other side of the coin, because this fucker can drop at any moment, okay? Your next entry price for some XRP action is 0.56093 and 0.53588. So I got some XRP at 60, and I have a limit buy order at 56 and another limit buy order at 53. If it keeps going lower than that, then I'm just going to refinance my house and get more XRP. Don't do that. That's the dumbest fucking idea ever. Let's see how it actually plays out, but I just don't think that XRP has any power. And no, it could happen, but I'm just saying that I don't see it. I don't see it in the charts. The charts are all hella bullish. I don't know what they have cooking up around the corner, but man, it feels like we're going to miss it. For some reason, I feel like I'm going to miss it. I don't know why. I have XRP, but I just don't think I have enough. I don't know. I want more fucking XRP, man. Gotta do what you gotta do, right? I am him. Big shout out to you. Thank you so much for those ice cream, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support, man. Thank you so much. How you doing? I am him. It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Taking it easy, brother. Chris over on the TikTok channel saying, stay away from Revolut. My friend's funds was frozen about 20-30K and without explanation. Revolut? I've never heard about that one, brother. I don't even know what that is. Rubber Stuck over on the TikTok channel saying, we get another billion dropping tomorrow, XRP. Yes, that is right. Oh, what's today? Today's the 30th, right? So tomorrow's the 1st of December. Yes, tomorrow we get another billion out of escrow into the XRP universe, okay? So maybe a price drop on XRP. I don't know. We're going to find out. Dynamite over on the YouTube channel saying, can you get a Chase account? Chase works well with Uphold and Coinbase. See, that's the thing. Coinbase, I can't use Coinbase. I'm banned on Coinbase for some reason. I've never found out what the hell happened there. And Uphold, I have an Uphold account, but it's not allowing me to link my bank account. Maybe if I open up a Chase, can I? But we don't have a Chase in Puerto Rico. We don't have like an actual bank of Chase, a Chase bank in Puerto Rico, do we? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. Chapolin over on the TikTok channel saying, I am him. Chilling, illin', killing. You know how it is. Like a villain. Taking it easy, bro. Caroline over on the TikTok channel saying, oh, it's the 29th today. So if it's the 29th today, we got 30th tomorrow, the 1st on Friday. So Friday, we get those billion unlock on the escrow on XRP. I don't know. Maybe hold on to the weekend so we can get more XRP. Who knows? Maybe I can get more cash so I can get more XRP and I can actually link a fucking bank account so I can buy more XRP. Maybe this is the world giving me a chance to get more XRP. Walter over on the YouTube channel saying, what term trading do you do? Short, mid, or long? I do long. Long term, brother. I do not trade in the short terms. Not anymore anyway. I used to before, but not anymore. I used to do 100x leverage trades. We don't do that shit no more. That shit was crazy. It was a crazy time back in 2021. That was a crazy time. Now we're a lot more risk adverse and we want to take things a lot more easier, guys. So my plan is 60 cents, 56, and 53. That's my plan for some XRP action, guys. Do what you got to do. Stack up on whatever the hell you guys want to stack up. Oh, no. Moving on to some AIOZ. I believe we were talking about AIOZ yesterday's live stream. Let me get some water, guys. Give me a second here. I am him over on the TikTok channel saying, what would your entry be on ETH? I gave you guys the Ethereum one. Oh, man, I don't know what the hell is happening with TradingView, man. TradingView is making me look bad, bro. What is happening with their servers? And I know it ain't me because I got the speed test. I got a gigabyte right here just dedicated for you guys. What the hell is happening with TradingView, man? It's not working anymore. It's not working, man. It's not working. Man, I think I'm having a little bit of technical issues here, man. Is it TradingView working out for you guys? Let me know. Because it sure as hell is not working out for me. That is weird. Ooh, what was that, bro? From AIOZ, I told you yesterday. It reached exactly my target price. Exactly my target price. Did you guys catch it? Did you use it? Did you make bank? I told you guys. Look. It reached my exact target price at the negative 382 on the Fibonacci, 18 cents. I told you this fucker was going to get to 18 cents. Did you take your profits? Did you take your profits on AIOZ? Remember, we got another leg up. Okay? We got another leg up. 0.30. 0.20. So if you didn't take your profits now, if you didn't take your profits at 18 cents, keep an eye out on it. Keep an eye out on it. Okay? Now that this played out, this Fibonacci level is no good no more. No good no more. So we got to reset our Fibonacci levels. Whenever this shit decides to come back down, I don't know when that is going to happen, but it is not an entry price right now today at this moment. Let it cool down. Let it do its thing. It reached our target price. You took your profits. Let's reset our Fibonacci levels, and we go back in later down the line. Okay? This is not the time to get in on this coin. It already pumped. You missed it. I'm sorry, but you missed it. Okay? You had to buy it here. Okay? So let it simmer. Let it do its thing. Let it come back down because nothing goes up forever. There's going to be pullbacks. Let it do its thing. Okay? When it comes back down, we go back in. And we'll figure out what a good entry price is going to be. Okay? Right now, it's too good. It's too good. But let's pretend. We can do a pretend. We get pretend. Let's pretend that the price is going to pull back from here. That would be your Fibonacci level. What would be the retracement of that Fibonacci level? 0.08, 584. Not saying that this is going to be playing out like this, because this fucker looks like it's going to keep going to the upside. I mean, I don't know what the hell is happening with AIOZ, but this looks like it wants to keep going up. Okay? So 0.08 would be your entry price if you guys have no AYOZ, but we got to keep an eye out on it because it looks like it wants to keep going to the upside. If it wants to keep going to the upside, this is not the correct Fibonacci level. Okay? That's why we were only pretending. This is not the correct Fibonacci level. You have to wait for that candle to close and we get new red candles on the right side. Whenever we do get those red candles on the right side, then we figure out what a good entry price is going to be. Okay? Blockchain Gold over on the TikTok channel saying got out about an hour ago. Good, brother. Did you catch it at the exact target price of the negative 382 or did you wait a little bit more? Waldo over on the YouTube channel saying, why did you stop short term? Because it reached my Fibonacci level, bro. The Fibonacci levels that I use give me an entry price and an exit price. I get in at the 618, I get out of the negative 382. Then we reset the Fibonacci levels, we go back in at the 618, and then we get out at the negative 382. We rinse and repeat that same process over and over and over again. And I can bank. And I bank. Cyberdoggy over on the TikTok channel saying stuck RSI on daily almost oversold. On AIOZ, on my stock RSI, it's already oversold. This fucker just breaking to the upside, bro. I don't even know. I'm gonna let it simmer, let it do its thing. We took our profits at the negative 382 and let it simmer, let it do its thing, let it do what it wants to do. Whenever it wants to come back down, then it'll come back down, and you took your profits. You took your profits. The important thing is that you secured your profits. This trade is a 1,500% pump, bro. 1,500%. Well, 1,500%, bro. That is 15 times whatever it is you put in. You put $1, you took out $15. That's one hell of a trade, bro. You're not going to get that all the time. Those are those unicorn trades. But it was beautiful. You guys took advantage of that. Hooray for you. Applause to you. You do you, boo-boo. You're a fucking genius. You do you, boo-boo. All right, moving on to some algo action. What is Algorand doing? All right. So for Algorand, ooh, we haven't seen Algorand in a long time, have we? But it played out exactly how we thought it was. We got in at the 0.085 mark. It closed above the 382, and we took our profits at the negative 382, and now we're waiting for that retest back down. That is exactly what we wanted to see. So that Fibonacci doesn't work anymore. We're going to use a new one, and it's this one right here. So this is the long-term Fibonacci. Let me look at this one more time. Let me look at it. We got the retest here. And it found, nope, not yet, because we got a little bit of market manipulation on this candle right here. Well, yeah. Okay, so for Algorand, we need to close above 1323. So for the next candle, for the next few candles, keep an eye out on it, because if it doesn't close above the 382, that means it's going to come back down to test the 618. So we need to close above 1323. It's trading at 1334. You see that over here? 1334. So let's keep an eye out on it, guys. Let's keep an eye out on it. Algorand looking good, actually. I like the formation on Algorand. And I really like their technology. I like their blockchain. I like it when they were doing the NFTs back in 2021, 2022. It worked really good. I like what they're doing. I don't think that NFTs are going to make a comeback anytime soon, but, you know. So keep an eye out for 1323. If it does not close above 1323, then your entry price is 1220. Okay. And your take profit is 1720. So that's how I would play Algorand if you guys are not stacking up on your Algorand. I am him saying over on the TikTok channel. Can you check out SEI? We talked about that yesterday, didn't we? SEI. We can talk about some SEI. Don't worry about that. I got you, bro. All right, moving on to some HNT. What is HNT? Helium. Yes. I remember when there was this huge uproar for helium miners. You remember those? Bobby Serrano, my brother from another mother, but actually my cousin. How you doing, Bobby? It's all good, brother. You know how it is. You're in the right place, bro. What you doing, bro? What you up to? So I remember when the whole helium miner craze came out a long time ago. I almost got into it. I'm not a crypto miner. I used to do mining a long time ago, but I'm not a crypto miner anymore. I'm a trader. I do way more profits in trading than I do with mining. But there's a lot of craze going on now with crypto mining again, thanks to those coins like Caspa and Zephyr and what was the other one? Yeah, the Zephyr miners. Those things are banking, bro. Those things are banking. So H&T playing out a beautiful W formation. That is hella bullish, okay? That is hella bullish, but it is only going to be bullish after the retest. When it comes to W formations, this is your support line right over here. So this is probably going to come back down to this support line right over here, which is this support line over here, okay? And this support line over here. So a lot of support on this zone right there, okay? A lot of support there. So if I was going to get in on some helium action, I will let it cool the fuck down, okay? I will let it cool the fuck down. Find the retest back down on the support line, which is set at $2.28. Okay. And then I would get in on some helium. Or you could just get a helium miner and start mining helium. Completely up to you, you know. There's so many things you can do in crypto. I'm not a miner, but No reason why not. Why you guys should not be making money on mining. There just isn't. So if we draw out our Fibonacci levels, we figure out that $2.28 is a major support line because it's on the golden ratio zone. So $2.28, sorry, is a great entry price for helium, bro. So don't sleep on helium. Okay? Don't sleep on helium. Keep an eye out on it. Not too bad. Not too bad, bro. Helium looking real good. I like the charts. I like the formation. Helium looking real good. For the next bull cycle, it's gonna bank, bro. It's gonna bank. Moving on to some Aurora. Aurora. What is Aurora? I've never heard about Aurora. Oh, shit. The hell happened here? So Aurora fucking pumps. Let me see what we got. Let me see. We got a low, we got a high. Found the support on the golden ratio. Closed above the 382. Your target price is this one right over here. So when it comes to Aurora, if anybody holding on to some Aurora, your take profit as of right now, it's 23.6. Okay. So hold on to your Aurora all the way up to 23.6. That's your take profit zone. Put an alarm, put a limit sell order, do whatever you got to do this automatically. I don't know what you have to do, but your take profit on Aurora is 23.6. 236. Okay. I don't personally hold any Aurora, so I don't trade this at all. But if I was, that's where I would take my profits. 236. Okay. Moving on to some H bar. Ooh, I like H bar. Can I get H bar on KuCoin? Yeah. There we go. Come on, man. Thank you. I'm having some wardrobe malfunction when it comes to fucking TradingView today. I don't know why. All right, so H bar. Come on, do your thing. Okay, H bar. So for H bar, we have a low. H bar, we have a low. We have a high. And we have a retracement of the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels, and the Fibonacci levels are these. So I want to get in on H bar at 0.05278. So I don't have any H bar. If I don't have any H bar, where would I get it? 5 cents. Okay, 5 cents. That's what I would start stacking up on some H bar action. That's for sure. I'm just looking at it. Give me a second here, guys. Let me see what we got. We got some H bar action. Yeah, I'm getting H bar. 5 cents is the way to go, guys. And it has a huge probability to get all the way up to 0.08 cents. So I would get in at 5, I would get out at 8, and then I will walk away. Yep. That's what I would do with H bar, guys. Get in at this price, I would get out at this price and let it do its thing. Bobby saying you're outside? Bro, come in, bro. You got the thing. You call Senia. Let her know that you're getting in. What time is it? Oh, I gotta go. So moving on. That is my plan for H bar, guys. Sidious. Is it Sidious? No, I think I wrote it wrong. I think it's Sidus. Sidus, was it? Yeah, it's Sidus. Come on, TradingView, do your thing, please. Let me do my fucking analysis. God damn it, what is wrong with TradingView today on my computer, man? Cirrus. There we go. Ooh. We talked about this one yesterday, right? We got our feelings hurt that we weren't in Cirrus. So we're finally getting that curvature. We're finally getting the curvature to the downside. With that said, we now have a Fibonacci retracement tool. So when it comes to Cirrus, if I was going to get in on some Cirrus action, I would do it all the way down here, 0.001819. Not saying that we're going to go to 1/10 of a cent, okay? But if we are, that's where I would get it. Okay, that's where I would get it. 0.001819. Man, but this fucker pumped so bad, bro. Let me see what the pump was. That's another 1,300% pump. That's 13 times whatever you put in, bro. For every $1, you make $13. So if you put 1,000, that's $13,000 that you just made on that pump. Damn. Hate it when I don't look at these fucking coins, man. That's why I got you guys. So you give me these coins and then I buy them, you know, and we can all bank. God damn. LCX. What is happening with some LCX action? Can I get LCX on KuCoin? No, apparently not. So LCX is on Coinbase. Okay, cool. Man, I don't know why TradingView's treating me like this today, guys. I don't know. Ibrahim, big shout out to you, Ibrahim, over on the TikTok saying, hey, bro, you in on Grok? I am on the bots. We're going to talk about the bots in a few minutes, but I am on the bots. Grok has made me on the bots about $85. Out of my $1,000 investment, it has made me $114. Not too bad. Grok has been a good one. Grok has been a good one. Beam has been a good one. FTT has been a good one. They've all been really fucking good. The only one that's been a fucking headache with the bots is XRP, which is okay because I don't really care. I just hold XRP on my own. I don't need to do it on the bots. I pretty much opened up this bot so you guys can see what happens when it goes out of range so you can fix it. But no, yeah, this $10,000 investment bot that I have here has made me $700. $700. Not too bad. But we'll talk about that one a little bit. Don't worry about it. I got you, bro. I got you. So LCS token, LCX, my entry price is $5.25, like I said yesterday. I just don't see it coming back down anytime soon. We're probably going to see it all the way up here. I kind of think that we're going to see 11-cent LCX coming real soon, guys. Momentum is still to the upside. Money flow is still to the upside. LCS is another good one. Man, I wish we could have caught it. We found the support exactly on the fire sale zone, and it closed above the 382. Yeah, this fucker looks like it wants to go all the way up to the negative 382 at 11 cents, guys. 11 cents. Renteria Rene, big shout out to you. Can you check AIOZ? I did, babe. I already did it. Check out the YouTube channel so you can rewatch it. But I gave you guys the entry price on AIOZ. AIOZ was breaking it all the way to the top. If I reached exactly my target price up here, and we took some profits and we walked away. We walked away on AIOZ. It played out exactly how we said it was going to play out. Moving on to some IOTA. Ooh. What the hell is IOTA doing? Yo! Guys, I fucking told you guys. IOTA was a BBC coin. A bottom coin. And we said this weeks ago. It was a bottom coin. Look at that. Holy shit, who the hell bought IOTA? Yo, IOTA nasty, man. IOTA nasty. It was a bottom coin. You buy it and you hold it for the next bull cycle, and it did exactly that. It did exactly that, bro. Man. It's one hell of a pump and dump, though. It's one hell of a pump and dump. So it's definitely not the time to go in. The time to go in was when I told you so a long ass time ago. Oh, man. God damn. Okay. Well, we can do the Fibonacci, but it's a pump and dump, guys. It's a danger zone. Danger zone. I will not get in on IOTA right now. We need to wait for the retest. It's probably going to dump back down to the initial point down here. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like IOTA. IOTA doing a pump and dump. I don't like that. I don't like that. Well, we need to close above. We need to close above 25 cents. 24.67. So keep an eye out on IOTA. If you wake up tomorrow morning and it's above 25 cents, 24.67, you're golden. Your next candle, if it's on top of 24.67, then that fucker's going to keep going to the upside. If it closes below 24.7, that fucker's going to come back down to the initial pump zone, which is all the way down here to 16 cents. Major pump and dump on IOTA, that's for sure. Man, I don't know who the hell bought this, drove it all the way up, came back down. It is what it is. It is what it is. All right, last coin for tonight. SEI. Live and Learn saying, do you pay 10K on a bot? No. I put in 10K on a bot. I didn't buy the bot for 10K. Okay, I can take out those 10K whenever I want to. No. I paid $20 for a trading bot. SEI. Say. We're going in for some Say coin. Can we please get some Say coin? Please? Can you do this for me, Trading View? Just one more coin. Just one more coin. Come on. You got this. You can do this. Come on. SEI. I know you're tired. I know you want to break, but let me do my thing, okay? The people need me. The people need me. So when it comes to Say, we have a low, we have a high, and we are going to have a retest of that high. So let's pretend that we do. That means that we have a shark fin formation, and that shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So it is telling me that Say has a huge probability of going up to 33.63 cents. So if you have some Say, your take profit is 33.63. If you do not have any Say, your entry price is 0.1721. That's how I would play Say. Okay. Say looking real good. It's pumping to the upside. Beautiful to see like always. But it is not the time to go in. You got to let it relax. Let it do its thing. Let it lay down and meditate. And when it does, come back down. To 17 cents. And that's where I would get in. User 61, thank you so much for that follow. Big shout out to you, User 61. Mary are on the TikTok channel saying we're jamming. Hell yeah, we are, like always. Mary saying or on the TikTok, my head has been popping up and down since this live started. Why? Like because of the song? That's kick-ass music right there. You guys want to know what music I use? This is my favorite radio right here. When I do my trades, this is the music that I'm listening to. I'm always listening to this type of music. Or the techno deep radio, melodic progressive. It's the old dude. This is me when I'm 70 trading XRP. That's going to be me right there. That's the goal. That's the plan. Crypto Sister over on the TikTok channel saying, I missed your And I missed you, Sensei. Just got off work. Aw, but it's okay. It's being recorded. You can rewatch it anytime you guys want over on the TikTok channel, over on the YouTube channel. Oh, it's my internet that is not working. I don't know what the hell is happening. But as long as you guys can see me, let me take out the music for a second here so we can finish this up. Yeah, guys, I gotta go. I got some people coming over. I can't do the whole 2 hours today. Wish I could stay more, though. I really enjoyed doing this with you guys. Kayla over on the TikTok channel saying, hey, at least you still got the same hairdo at 80. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. I mean, that's the plan right there. 80 years old, I can go bald right here and then have the thing, like a business on top, party on the back. You know how it is. That would be the plan. That's the game right there. That's the game right there. All right, guys, that's all the time I got for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. So make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe from all of my streaming platforms so you can get notified every time I stream over here. I'm trying to stream every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern, okay? Also, guys, if you're not in the Crypto Granny metaverse, you better follow her over on the TikTok channel. We always do a little bit of late night, midnight crypto sessions over there all the way through 4 o'clock in the morning. Every single day we hang out over there and we talk about crypto. We talk about a whole lot of bunch of shit. So if you guys want more Crypto Sensei, head on over to Crypto Granny's TikTok, and I will be there doing what we do best. All right, guys, thank you for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. So make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe from all of my streaming platforms, and you get notified every time I stream over here. Thank you for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. Take care. God bless, and have a good one.